Raylin, can you say Aubrey?
Yeah. Now you can get on.
Can you say Aubrey?
Yeah, you can get on.
Can you say Aubrey, Raylin? Aubrey? Are you guys best buds?
You need this? You need this piece? Dun dun.
Aubrey, what you doing today?
Being on this.
Yeah, building with Grandpa and Daddy? Building your playset?
I'm just pushing.
Whose baby is that over there? Who is that over there? This one.
Raylin.
Hey Raylin, what do you like to call her sometimes?
Raylin.
Do you call her Mommy's baby?
I like to call her Ray Rebecca.
Ray Rebecca. You're cute.